If you need a free tool that can allow you to create and sell your online courses, do email marketing by building your own email list, create a high converting sales funnel and landing page, set up your website and blog where you can create your content, manage your own affiliate marketing and referral system. If you answer yes to all of this, then there is no any other tool you need than system.io. This is an all-in-one free marketing platform that offers a range of tools to help you as a business owner or content creator to manage your online presence, automate tasks and grow your audience fast. There is no need for multiple tools and platforms. With System.io platform, you have all your businesses in one place. This video is fully loaded with powerful information that will help you to grow your online business fast. So if you found this video helpful to you, please reward me by subscribing to my channel, share this video among your loved ones, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you are ready, let's get started. In order to access this all-in-one free marketing platform, all you need to do is to type in your search bar system.io. In order to get started for free, all you need to do is to click on pricing. Then, as you can see, you can actually get started for free. So, to get started for free, you are going to get access to all of these features. In the free account, you get access to 2,000 contacts, unlimited email, sales funnel step, and the likes. So you get access to all of these features using the free account. So now let's get started. You only need to click on start for free. Now once you are done clicking start for free, then you can now sign up with your email address. Once you are done creating your free account, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. Currently, as you can see, this is a new dashboard. This is a quick overview of how the interface looks like and what you can basically do using the System.io free all-in-one marketing tool. There are so many things you can do here. As you can see here, you can create a sales funnel whereby you can grow your audience online, either to build an audience to sell a product or to build a custom funnel from scratch, or you can also use it to run an evergreen webinar. Not only that, you can also start an email marketing using the System.io. So you can start an email newsletter by sending an automated email to your subscribers. Also, you can create a free blog and website using System.io. There are a lot of free websites and blog templates that you can easily use. If you need to choose any of this one, you can simply click to preview it, or you can also select it right away. So now there are some of them that are pretty simple and easy to use. All you need to do is to customize it and make it your own. As you can see, there are a lot of them that you can use. If you quickly need a website template or a blog template that can be used for your business, so System.io has got you covered. Now, not only that, you can also create and sell your online courses here. As you can see here, you can add a new course, so you can add bundles and so on and so forth. You can also manage your students here. So if you need to do anything, you can, for instance, if you want to create an online course, all you need to do is to click on add new courses. Basically, if you need me to create a full video on how to create any of these things that I've been talking about in this video, let me know in the comment section below and I'll be ready to do that. Another beautiful thing about this all-in-one marketing platform is that you can create and manage your own affiliate setup, that is your own affiliate program yourself, whereby you pay people according to the leads they've generated. So like all those big brands, those big affiliate programs, you can also do your own. That is, if you like, using the System.io. This is where you can create and manage your own affiliate program. As you can see, this is currently a new dashboard. So if you need to do anything, you can click on affiliate program setting, then you can easily start. So let me know in the comment section below if you want me to create a full video on how to create and sell your online course, or if you want to start your affiliate program, anything, let me know in the comment section below and I will be ready to do that for you. There are so many things you can do using System.io. You can see there are a lot of things you can do using System.io. You can hover on any of these sections to see more features on what you can do using the System.io all-in-one marketing platform. You can see there are so many things you can do. So feel free to comment in the section below if you need a help so that I can create any video you wanted me to create for you. If you really enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that each time I upload awesome content like this, you'll be the first person to be updated. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.